Top 5 unseen scientific processes in your kitchen technology.
Your kitchen is filled with powerful technology, often hiding intricate scientific processes. From the way your food is heated to how it's kept fresh, these machines transform daily life with engineering you can't always see. Let's uncover the top unseen scientific processes behind induction stoves, refrigerators, and microwaves.
1. Electromagnetic induction in induction stoves.
Induction stoves rely on electromagnetic induction to heat cookware directly. When you turn on an induction stove, an electric current flows through a copper coil beneath the glass surface, creating a magnetic field. This field induces an electric current in the metal pot, heating it up quickly and efficiently, without the burner itself getting hot.
2. The refrigeration cycle in your fridge.
Refrigerators keep food cool using a process known as the refrigeration cycle. A liquid coolant absorbs heat from inside the fridge, evaporates, and then a compressor pushes it through coils behind or below the unit. This cycle releases heat outside and repeats, keeping your perishables at a safe temperature.
3. Microwave heating with dielectric heating.
Microwaves use dielectric heating to cook food. When you start the microwave, it emits microwaves that excite water molecules in your food, causing them to vibrate rapidly. This vibration generates heat, warming your meal from the inside out and allowing for faster, more uniform heating than traditional methods.
4. Frost-free technology in refrigerators.
Modern refrigerators often include frost-free technology. These systems use sensors and timers to periodically warm the coils, preventing ice from building up. Rather than manual defrosting, this process keeps your freezer and fridge running efficiently by automatically melting away excess frost before it becomes a problem.
5. Magnetrons, the powerhouse of microwave ovens.
At the heart of every microwave oven is a device called a magnetron. This special vacuum tube converts electrical energy into microwave radiation. These waves penetrate your food, exciting water molecules to generate heat. The magnetron's rapid energy transfer is crucial for how microwaves cook so quickly and conveniently.